Hello and welcome to Financial Intelligence. In this video, I want to talk about Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger's perspective on Robinhood. In a recent interview, legendary investor Warren Buffett slammed stock trading app Robinhood, saying it is turning the stock market into a casino. I totally agree with this statement, and I think that turning trading into a habit is detrimental to one's financial health. In the first part of this video, I'm going to share with you Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger's take on Robinhood. In the second part, I'm going to discuss why this app is so addictive, and in the last segment, I'm going to share with you one simple tip on how to avoid falling into their trap. If you like the type of content that I provide, subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up, and also hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Part 1. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger's perspective. They believe that Robinhood has popularized gambling under the illusion of investing. In reality, Robinhood has provided a platform for legal online gambling for most people. It is a convenient way for folks to place their bets, as it is available throughout the day and it does not require traveling to Las Vegas. It brings excitement and action to the lives of those who are bored at work and life in general. While the stock market is a wonderful way to invest in America's future as a long-term investor, it is a terrible place to satisfy one's gambling urges. In one of his recent interviews, Buffett said, and I quote, "American corporations have turned out to be a wonderful place for people to put their money and save, but they also make terrific gambling chips. There is something in human nature that is drawn to gambling. Even children bet on who can hold their breath the longest or will dare to jump over a small stream. It is no wonder casinos and lottery tickets are so popular. As adults, we still crave the buzz and the thrill of winning. Despite the fact that we are fully aware of the house edge, we still continue to engage in these types of activities." Buffett said at Berkshire Hathaway's annual meeting, and I quote, that Robinhood has become a very significant part of the casino aspect, the casino group that has joined into the stock market in the last year or a year and a half. Most people can enjoy a little recreational gambling now and then, but for others, gambling becomes more than a hobby. It crosses the line into obsession, compulsion, and even addiction. Gambling addicts lose their savings and prosperity in the pursuit of that winning thrill. I think it is god-awful that something like that brought investments from civilized men and decent citizens, Munger said. It is deeply wrong. We don't want to make our money selling things that are bad for people. Part 2. Addictive components of Robinhood. The first feature of Robinhood that makes it super addictive is the fact that it gives the illusion that it's not a gambling platform by taking the guilt out of using the app. Robinhood has done so by positioning itself as the pioneer of free trading platforms and bills itself as a democratizer of the stock market. The app has made trading more popular among young speculators and those with less cash on hand by eliminating commission fees. Another addictive feature of Robinhood is its laser focus on increasing user engagement. Similar to slot machines in Las Vegas that require minimal mental energy to operate, the Robinhood app is designed to be super user-friendly and intuitive, with the goal of maximizing the number of trades users are going to place. One example is the iconic green confetti that is displayed on a user's phone when a Robinhood trade executes. A lot of this is directly taken from user experience of casinos. It encourages immediacy and frequent engagement. The last aspect of Robinhood's app that makes it super addictive is its popularity among online communities that are formed around stock market speculations. The app has a particularly dedicated following in a notorious and at times toxic Reddit community called Wall Street Bets, in which people speculate on trades and discuss investment strategies alongside memes and jokes. Users often post screenshots from the Robinhood app wild gains made day trading, which induces fear of missing out and entices other users to start gambling using Robinhood. Part 3. My simple recommendation. Most people who start using apps such as Robinhood for day trading do so for one simple reason. That is the fact that they are bored in life and are looking for some way to ignite that childhood spark back in their life. However, day trading will never bring that happiness. My recommendation is to find a new hobby or activity that you always wanted to do but never got a chance to get to. It'll do wonders to your mental health as well as your financial health. I hope that you liked this video. If you have any recommendation or suggestion, add them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you and take care.